Hey guys, I wanted to share some of your answers that you had told me about what is science. Y'all had some great ideas, and I put them right here on this chart. What is science? Some of you thought it might be your body and everything around you, crafts where you make colors, discovering things, expressing yourself, planets, plants, and elephant toothpaste, things around us, planets, plants, and animals, the moon and outer space, making your own glow light, studying bones, making a cow, the weather and the sun, rocks, crystals or potions, trees, ants, and clouds. Those were great ideas. We're going to watch a video today that reads a book about what is science. And I want you to think, are there any more things we could add on our list? Are there any things that we need to take off our list? Maybe things that aren't science. Think all about what we could add or take away from our list to make a good list about what science is.